Cathie Wood's recent moves on Palantir have sent a shockwave through the finance world, and it's not hard to see why. This is no ordinary tech company. Palantir is redefining what's possible in data analytics, and it seems Cathie is putting a lot of faith in them. She's backing Palantir with relentless commitment, nearly doubling down with millions of shares through the recent dips, suggesting her confidence in this company's future is rock solid. But why all this hype? Well, let's look at how Wood sees Palantir as an unrivaled player in industry it's practically inventing. Think about it, Palantir's software isn't just a set of tools. It's a gateway to predictive analytics that can transform business decisions, whether in retail, transportation, defense, or healthcare. Palantir's value proposition is that it can analyze, foresee, and optimize processes in ways no other company has mastered. And while that sounds like tech jargon, this is a firm that has thrived largely on defense budgets, cultivating technologies far beyond what a typical commercial firm can accomplish. Cathie Wood's actions speak loudly here. Palantir was a minor piece of her portfolio, just a small percentage. Then, during the dip, she didn't just double down. In February alone, she stacked up more than 9 million shares. In one of her flagship funds, Palantir now sits as a key holding, over 1% of a portfolio dominated by powerhouses like Tesla. That's a huge endorsement and a clear signal to investors. She sees Palantir as a game changer. If we're talking tech innovation, Palantir's recent development of Foundry and Gotham could be massive. Foundry, which is starting to roll out across commercial industries, is built on 2 decades of high-stakes, high-tech projects. These platforms are tailored for complex environments where data isn't just helpful, it's crucial for decision-making. It's not just logistics, it's defense, health, and industry sectors that demand precision and foresight. Peter Thiel and the Palantir team had this vision long ago, with Thiel himself calling it a monopoly in a market that didn't even exist. Now, that market has matured, and it's ready to take off. With Palantir, Wood isn't just betting on a company. She's betting on an entirely new sector of data-driven transformation. And it's not just a shot in the dark. Palantir has a strong track record, turning a profit and demonstrating it can bring returns on investment. If you dig into the financials, their commitment to growth is clear. Revenue is up 50% year over year. They're also investing heavily in their people, which adds real long-term value, even though it shows as an expense in their books. Essentially, Palantir's leaders are playing the long game, a strategy that's paying off as the company solidifies its presence across various sectors. For Cathie Wood, it's this kind of innovation and scalability that justifies her massive investment. Palantir's technology isn't locked into one market. It's adaptable, able to cross over into numerous fields and remain highly relevant. Whether it's retail, mining, healthcare, or defense, Palantir is able to find opportunities to optimize. Wood sees Palantir as a company poised to transform multiple industries simultaneously, giving it a powerful edge. This isn't just speculation, though. Palantir's steady growth and recent profitability demonstrate real potential. With its long-term contracts and powerful analytics, it's providing clients with a tool that's difficult, if not impossible, to replicate. And that's why investors are seriously considering a $40 price target. Cathie Wood's investment here isn't just another addition to her portfolio. It's a declaration of confidence in a company that could potentially redefine data analytics on a massive scale. It's about believing in a vision that's ambitious, resilient, and backed by years of government-funded R&D. So, as Palantir moves from military-focused to a global commercial powerhouse, Cathie is telling the world she's all in. In the end, it's clear why Cathie Wood and her team are making such a substantial commitment to Palantir. If she's right and Palantir keeps expanding as they predict, this could be one of the most rewarding investments of this decade. Keep watching for more on this and hit like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated.